Do you have a Cricut machine? Do you like making cards? If you said yes to both of those, then you need to join me at the Cricut Card Summit. This is a 3-day event that is focused purely on making cards with your Cricut machine. I have a really fun class, jam-packed full of information for you. We're going to be making 8 cards. I know, right? And I've got some free SVG files that you'll be able to use and recreate the cards that I've made. And the technique I'm focusing on in my class is using a Cricut card mat, which makes card making so easy, especially if you're a real beginner. You do not need any special skills to recreate the cards that I've got for you. But don't worry if you don't have a mat. I'm also going to be walking you through other options to recreate the same cards without it. And if you've joined me at the summit before, you already know how much fun we have there. They are such a party atmosphere. We get to know each other, and with 3 days full of presentations, you're bound to learn something new and also be inspired. Now you can join this summit absolutely free, and I've got my link for the free summit right here. And if you choose to use my link, I say thank you very much for your support. The classes will be available to you for 24 hours to watch them if you are going to upgrade to the VIP All Access Pass. But make sure, if you do want that, to get the cheapest price possible, which is the fast action price. So don't miss that. I look forward to seeing you at the Cricut Card Summit. We are going to make a bunch of cards. There's going to be so many SVGs flying around the air everywhere, and we're going to have fun. I look forward to seeing you there, and thank you for supporting my channel. You guys are the best. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.